Dear students, good morning. Today, I am going to first of all ask you a brainstorming exercise on what pollution is. You all start thinking about the problem of pollution on the earth. As the lesson we are going to do today is Journey to the End of the Earth by Tishani Joshi. What is the end of this earth? It is poles. The two poles of the earth are the ends of the earth. So today I, as Tishani Joshi, am going to take you to one of the poles of the earth, that is Antarctica. Journey to the end of the earth. Antarctica. We will start our journey from Madras. Just close your eyes and imagine how we are going to Antarctica. We cross 9 time zones, 6 checkpoints, 3 water bodies, and the ecospheres to reach Antarctica. It is the southern end of the earth. All of you, the students, are with me. Just imagine how the environment on Antarctica would be. Before listening to this lecture, you just have watched a video in which it has already been told how the narrator reached there. So that is why I asked you to imagine that we people are going to Antarctica. Antarctica is one of the coldest and driest and windiest continent in the world. As far as we can see, it is completely white. A blue horizon gives immense relief. It is shocking to believe that India and Antarctica were once the same part of a supercontinent called Gondwana that got segregated into 2 countries, giving rise to the globe we know today. Antarctica had a warmer climate at that time. Despite human civilization around the globe, it remains in its pure form. Being a South Indian, it was unimaginable for the author Tishani Joshi to visit the place. It is unimaginable for all of us to think that once Antarctica and India were very close to each other. Now, we'll discuss what happened over there. Tishani Joshi and all the students, she went there with the high class students, means 2 years younger than all of you. 10th class students went with her. Why did she take these students to Antarctica? So that the young generation of today understand what havoc we have created with our Mother Earth. How small things take shape of big problems that humans have to face. Today, we all are quarantined at our homes. We cannot see each other. This is all because of our own difficulties, our own sins, our own mistakes. That is environmental pollution. We have encroached upon the other species' life, the ecosphere. We have crossed all the boundaries of encroachment. Antarctica is a vast ocean. 1 meter thick ice is on the top surface of the ocean, and beneath this 1 meter thick ice there is sea vegetation, sea life, marine life. And the smallest grass in marine life is phytoplankton. And this phytoplankton, a small vegetation, is able to circulate the complete system of that area. What is happening? The depletion of ozone layer, with global warming, the life of this phytoplankton is being disturbed. And with this, the whole universe is on the verge of collapse. This is what Tishani Doshi wanted to teach the students. How we means we the elder people, not you, are responsible to make this earth an ailing planet. You remember we did this story, Ailing Planet, in class 1? The theme of both the stories is same. Both are concerned, worries about the depletion of environment. So, I hope you like this audio along with the video that I have sent, where the author has taught you everything in Hindi, and now you will be able to do the question answers, note making also of this chapter, and write the notes along with summary and abbreviations in your fair notebooks. Question answers you will write, but notes are also as important as the question answers. You may take any one page, or you may take the complete summary and make notes. Thank you, students.